half the young people living without job, who ain't turning hoes and bowlers, they thieving and rob. You say how they lazy and they don't see hell. They don't give you so much in a row and can't buy a bread. Reaper man Ralph, Reaper man Ralph, you and face picker Julian, all you mash up the land. Reaper man Ralph, Reaper man Ralph, you and that head dog Julian, all you mash up the land.
Boy, me nah lie, me love Zion I dog. Yo, that man ya are the bravest man in a St. Vincent, are the bravest man in the whole Caribbean. Yo, we want make one for Jamaica, but Andrew no raper man, he my thief. Thiefing boy Andrew, thiefing boy Andrew. Yeah, yo, it's me, the great countryman, and we have a talk about St. Vincent, Hive gang, the Prime Minister, and what's going on down there. Because, you know, you see certain things we are going on in other island there. Enough people might think are drugs. But I know drugs, you know. I know drugs. Drugs and certain things might be a component. I'm going to explain that to you now. Let's go. Now, look at that picture. That youth there, I think him named George, and a girl used to go with small man, and this guy start date her. Okay? Now, the two of them get married, you know, in a St. Vincent. And did the government put up a reward? If anybody know of a reward that was put up for this killing, please let me know. I just want to show you something. So when me talk, it's facts about that place here, yo. Look at that picture in front of you. This is St. Vincent, and you can see it is August 2023, the date on that thing, and it says a mother plead with the public to help her catch her daughter's killer. So there is no reward posted by the government for this lady's daughter. I just want to show you guys something, you know. This is a clipping from the article, the news article. It said the mother of the young woman who was murdered at Dorsetshire Hill home on Sunday, July 9, is crying out for justice for her daughter. Her daughter's name is Cheryl Lanteria Phyllis Knights. In a recent video upload to social media, the mother said the daughter killing was the worst night of her life. She recalled that she had spoken to her daughter mere hours before the gruesome murder. It was reported that night, that's the girl Knights, that's her name, was hacked to death in the home she shared with her father. On that fateful night, the young woman was found unresponsive at home, with chop wounds all over her body. The mother said, "Some monster had murdered my child." Now, she said on the night of the murder, the police and her son prevented her from seeing the gruesome sight. She is broken-hearted, and she described her daughter as being very reserved and was pretty much saying that a monster had committed this crime. Only a monster would be so cruel. Now the family, I want you to listen to this. The family offered $2,500 US for any information leading to the arrest of that mother effer. But listen, on some real note, this killing right here, it's a very gruesome killing, and me countryman, me ask anybody with information to this killing of this young lady, I want to call me and give me the information and me turn it over to the police. And me have some brethren down at St. Vincent. Me know say once you find out who the killer is, me know say the man them we go look for him and thing and turn me into the police still. Me not advocate for the man them if them catch the killer for do him nothing. But me don't know some man down there when I in a them thing there. And the man them know who me attack, me not have to say nothing. But anybody who have information on this young lady killing, please contact Countryman and I will get it to the right authorities and the family, and me I go give it to my bad man brethren them at St. Vincent to straight up. So we want to find a boy there, yo. Okay? Now let's move on. No, for real, no word of a lie. If anybody have any information on the murder of this young lady, it's a gruesome murder. Somebody chop her up to death in her father's house, you understand? And the mother couldn't even look at her body. Beautiful young lady, them take her out like that. Obviously, we know it's a sexual predator who do that. Somebody who she knows. So, me not understand how these police now talk to the last people them where she talk to, get her phone. The last people them, the first 48. You understand? And that's what me not understand with these dirty police, yo. Alright, me not diss up the police them. But the police, please, wanna solve that one, your dog. And anybody with information. This kinda really pissed me off because I'm a brethren send me this, you know. And me I talk about it, and when me realize it start piss me off, and I'm trying not to curse and carry on. But please help us find this guy who or the person who did this. Obviously it's a man. Come on, St. Vincent. You understand? Now, anybody will know the person will do this and sit down and not say nothing about it. Never curse one word on a big pussy. Straight up. You understand? So come on, St. Vincent. Come on, St. Vincent. Solve that one, yeah. For real. Now, let's talk to that brother. How come when people, innocent people like this young lady, pass away under them grisly crime thing there, how come there is no reward set by the government? And me I talk directly to the person who is in front of me. You understand? When I see the picture. And I notice that that's the trend in St. Vincent. Yo, Belize keep on a popping on my head. I go for say Belize like a while, you know. But this is the trend that keeps on popping up in St. Vincent. Now, I'm showing you two murder, you know. And there is many more. You have the radio host who was some kind of cabinet secretary in this man's party, and him and them had a fallout, and after the fallout he came on the radio and said he was gonna talk because he was also a radio host. And did you know the day before he gave the secret, they found him dead, and then they charged a young man, a gay young man, because I think the radio host was gay, and the young man walked because he's not the one who did the murder. And you know, the people them that run the country don't even take out a reward or any kind of thing to solve the murder of these people. But, and this is a big but, now when gangsters get killed like Dutty, why is there a $50,000 reward for gangsters? Why the government take out a reward for the gangster killing, but not a reward for innocent people and other people who get killed in the country in nefarious ways? Can somebody answer that question? Obviously, there is something wrong with that picture, and I know I am not crazy. I am quite sure everybody hear about this in a St. Vincent. Who don't hear about this live underneath a rock. Now, you have Diddy, and Diddy are one of the big man in a St. Vincent. Now, Dutty, the youth were dead. You understand? Him take out Diddy, driver, and mechanic. Now them shoot up the car. I think either the driver dead or the mechanic, one of them. But there was two people in the car. There was a witness who said them saw Dutty and told the police. Did the police went and arrest Dutty? No. Did the police do anything? No. People lose them life, you know, in this situation. And like me I say, I'm doing this video for sure how certain government in a St. Vincent, and not only St. Vincent, the Caribbean also, what's going on. You understand? Now, he didn't take out a $50,000 reward for this young man's killing, you know. And Dutty name was called in this all the way to the bank, yo. And he was still a free man. As a matter of fact, it's the Diddy them that was getting harassed by police. After police man try kill them, and it was reported. So what does that tell you about the government of this country? But one of the people them draw them conclusion, you know. You understand? We can't show no whole heap more murders, you know, what happen and crime, and this government never ever put up a reward for solving any of them crime there. But when super criminals get caught up in a them bacchanal, the government I put up a $50,000 reward, and then me hear them say them are gonna make it a bigger reward. What kind of thing is going on in the country? You see the one-sidedness. You see the government support criminals, and they must support criminals right in front of everybody. How do you think the rest of the citizens of the beautiful island of St. Vincent is going to feel? What do you think is going to happen? Huh? If the government is doing things like that. Now, may I tell the government to stop do them idiot thing there. If you're going to support the citizens, support everybody, stop support criminals. You understand? And stop give criminals free rein in the city. Them a shake down man, them a do this, them a do that. You understand? Them a kill man on boat. And them a get away with it. You understand? See a Jamaican youth in a St. Vincent there. Him there prison. Him there prison for your AK. Cause the police stop him. You understand? And me hear say a Hive man them push him out. You understand? Me hear that from the horse's mouth, say a Hive push out that Jamaican youth there. And the dreadlocks youth who him did there with them end up killing him. And there is no reward offer. You understand? What is going on in St. Vincent? The government for stop do them idiot thing there. I may ask the people them, wanna think, wanna see a government or do them kind of thing there. Yo, government, stop do them thing there, dog. If you ever work for the country, work for everybody. You can't work for criminals. That's how me feel about this. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I want to know how the people them feel about this, cause it really upset me. For real.